Ayuthi na aria mareita Gen Z makoretwo maihuirwo ni matukuya kuma riria watho wa kigina warekereirio kuona maugite maundu na maria mandikitwo bajeti-ini iyo ni makumahinyiriria na nitagwitiriria kironda kia muturire cumbi. Ndeto ino ni iracungiriirie Gen Z kururungana thiini wa kaunti itiganite makienda mutongoria wa bururi akorwo agiteaniria watho uyu wa kigina kuria muthenya wa ira president ni arakorirwo agiteaniria watho uyu na kuga ndakuwikira kirore.
And listening keenly to the people of Kenya who have said loudly that they want nothing to do with this Finance Bill 2024, I concede, and therefore I will not sign.
Muthenya wa iri andu kihiri ni marakorirwo magikua mwena wa githurai gia 45 aikari makiuga rithathi irakorirwo ikirira tabura. Atungatiri kuma mwena uyu ni maikitie ritana kuri Gen Z gwitikira kunanira njung'wa na president niguo kugiririria andu kurwo ni mioyo yao na uthukangia wa indo.
The president has said that he is not going to sign the bill, which is a good gesture, and we want to ask him, even in the near future, these are measures that should be taken earlier enough. We should not wait up to a moment like this. So we echo him for that, and we support him for that, for not signing the bill. It's a good gesture. That's how a leader should be, to listen to his people. The president has spoken, and he has said he has withdrawn the bill. We also appeal to you. Can we also withdraw the demonstration?
Atungatiri aya matongoretio ni mutungatiri Elijah Lankisa maugite ni wega president akorwo agitongoria bururi na njira iria yagirire makiuga hathara iria iraumanire na mirurungano ya Gen Z ndigironekanire korwo atongoria ni marakorirwo makihe mendikithia mao gutu.
We appeal especially to our president to offer leadership at this trying moment. He is up there as a symbol of unity, and assure him of our availability and support from the church in making an amicable resolution for the benefit of the nation.
Mathiete na mbere na kuria maabitha a borithi kwaga kuhuthira hinya kuona ndeto ino ni icungiriirie maithori nguraro na ikuo mwena wa githurai gia 45. Handu-ini ha KO TV njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru.